Hello there, my name is Philaxty, and I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to subscribe to a YouTube channel. Now, the only difference from your page to my page is that I am on a different one of my videos, which is kind of simple because you don't actually have to be on this video page to subscribe to me. You just have to be on this video. See, it's simple, you know? So what you're going to do first is you're going to be on my page. Don't go to any other page, you know? And then you got to look down. It's right below, like the save right here, you know. I'm showing you right here. So the save, which if you press on that, it says watch later or create new playlist. So you can even create a playlist out of one of my videos. Anyways, right below that, there's a subscribe button. You just press on that, and you're subscribed. But whatever you do, never ever press that button again. Oh shit, I pressed it again. Don't press unsubscribe again. Never ever press that button again, and you'll be A-okay. Okay? Anyways, I hope you learned something from this, and have fun subscribing to a whole bunch of other people, and never press that button again, like ever, unless it's other people. So yeah. Bye! I just like slowly opened my drawer right here. I don't know why. Maybe it's because it has candy inside.